Ya que empiece. Now.
Good afternoon. Today we will be presenting phase D of Sargassum machine. Next.
Now here we have the validation objective as we have in prephase A, and the validation objective is to facilitate the work of collecting sargassum on the coast and reduce operating costs of about 6,000 and 7,000 for diesel and labor, and be able to collect 20 tons per hour and 95% of sargassum from the beach like some existing machines. Next.
This is the system level MOPs to verify and validate. So we have the table confirmation in these next three slides. Next one. This is the other table with the MOPs. And the last one. Ending with the long duration materials.
All right. The verification procedure. The first MOPs to analyze is the chassis must be made of steel with anti-corrosive trimming. The first image analyze the steel properties. The second image analyze the tree steel, and other image the draws and drawing the steel. Another MOP is the structure protection in PVC or aluminum plates. I selected the metal mesh is aluminum plates. How the material was analyzed in this image. The third MOP is the dimensions shall be approximately 20 feet long, 4 feet high, and 4 feet 6-inch wide. The design, this image is design, and the drawing.
And now we have a MOP for the cleaning mechanisms, which is the conveyor must collect up to 10 tons of sargassum, and this can be verified by the calculation of the design that when we make the calculation, we conclude that the width and the length make the conveyor capable to collect up to 10 tons. And the safety precautions are none. Next. Here we have two MOPs that can be verified equally or together, And we have that the chain must be capable to move the conveyor, and the shaft and sprocket must be capable to rotate the chain of the conveyor. And also, this can be verified by the calculation of the design, and the size of the chain, shaft, and sprocket are adequate size for the job that we need to do. Next.
In base of the weighted decision matrix, we choose this tractor as it is meets the requirement for the job to be done, and is more cost efficient. Next. This is a steel property table, and with the required dimension and the problem calculation, it was possible to verify that both pies can support the weight of the sargassum. Next.
In this part of the verification procedure, we have the to verify verify the MOPs of air compressor selection should ensure the machine reaches target. The sanitation equipment should sterilize up to 10 tons of sargassum. And in the safety precautions, we have not applicable precautions. And in the tools, we use the web browser and the computer. And in the left side, on the bottom, we have the drawings of the irrigation system with all their measures. And in the right side of the top of this part, we have all the information of the equipment of the and the specs of this sanitation machine. And doing that observation, we select the correct air compressor and the sanitation equipment to these 10 tons of sargassum or more. Next. And the last MOP of the sanitation equipment to be verified, it was the liquid should be EPA registered sanitizer that in the safety precautions not applicable. And the same, we use the web browser and the computer. And doing some research, we found in the Oxidation Technologies LLC, they have all the information of this liquid ozone that is forming directly from pollution of NOx and VOC and a chemical reaction of UV light. And this transforms all these round system transforms all these components into that ozone liquid that is not damaged hard and the ambient or anything in the beaches or the animals. Next. And this is the budget tracking, the final budget, which was kind of the same or the same, and in comparing to phase C2 with the cleaning mechanism, the structure, propulsion, and sanitation equipment, and having a reduction of 7.6% of the cost. Next. And finally, we have our project plan for phase F, the system validation, project conclusions, project recommendations with responsibles of all the group members, and to the next a few weeks, starting this next week of February 16th. And that's all. This is our final chapter.